I love playing that game, watching how long it takes someone to parallel park or turn around. like you can do it. 70-point turn.
Thanks for being here. You want some
Oh, thank
stickers?
you. Oh, I love stickers. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Have you guys been getting cars coming down here?
Nope. No, everybody's been turning around. It's been pretty shit.
Good strategy to find actually one block in front so they don't turn in.
So the problem is we have the alley there. I want to give people enough room to turn around. That's why I have it pushed out to there.
We could put one person just in the corner for visibility and to talk to people if we have enough people.
Cool.
Also, there are people that
I thought about that too, but yeah, these look like pretty heavily used alleyways.
and
So
also, like, this is, again, it's like, I live in Belltown. It's Belltown. Belltown is not the place that's gonna wild out.
yeah, the Belltown Hellcat is away now. We don't have him to worry about.
The best thing you can do for the environment if you have to drive a car isn't to buy a new car. It's to buy the oldest car you
Exactly.
can. Embodied carbon is way back when.
Yeah.
So yeah, what's up?
Did you guys volunteer for this, or?
Nope, just post it up. And that's kind of the bike brigade sort of ethos is you just show up and start putting in work. It's been that way since 2020. Uh-huh.
Thank you for doing it. Yeah.
You ever want to come out, bring your bike.
The more the merrier.
Way back when, he talked about how, you know, once upon a time when people traveled, they were alive the whole time because they had to be like aware, watching out for bandits.
Yeah, you're in the environment.
And he was like, you know, if you take a 3-day train ride, you're dead that whole time. I think he had a point. Like, within the city, it's the same thing driving. You bike, you're alive the whole time.
Yep. You sure do feel alive. Where are you going? Turn around. Where are you trying to go? Do you not see all these people here?
Well, I don't care. It's road. You need the police. Get the hell out of the
Fuck around.
Hey, you realize you're on camera, right?
Pedestrians have
You just fucking touched me.
You see a fucking 1,000 people behind you. What are you gonna drive through?
This is a permitted event.
You see 1,000
This is a permitted
people,
event.
Turn the fuck around.
Homie, this is not that day. Turn around, go back.
CSX 7045. You filming? Plate CSX 7045. I like to say it out loud too.
Do you want me to go tell the cops that somebody's trying to
Sure,
do that?
absolutely.
Do what?
We'll take the help.
I always like to kind of tell the cars it's over soon, you know.
Do what?
Tell them like it's over soon. Like it's not that far. We're saving you from.
We could help you.
I'm like, I'm not in the back of the line.
No, gotta be angry.
Oh, but this is the rut I always run.
You really think they were gonna go through?
Pretty much, yeah. That's a serious case of car brain for you.
Somebody's like this, you know, just slap it down there and step away.
Baffled as to why you're raw, but okay.
I'm smiling for the camera. Yeah, he got out of the car. He ran into my bike and he grabbed me.
Oh, well, what an idiot.
Right?
I mean, he's dumb and he's an idiot. Yeah, and he's an idiot.
Yep.
Is this guy giving you trouble?
Oh yeah, he came flying down here. We stopped him. He drove into my bike. He got out of the car. He grabbed my arm. Thankfully, he got back in the car.
This car?
Yes.
I can make sure nobody's back there.
It's going to be ending in about 20 to 30 more minutes. The tail is starting to wrap around fourth, so once they come through, just let him by.
Yep.
As long as he's not proceeding to go over there, everything should be okay.
Yep. Once they're gone.
Where are the cops? He hit you.
Yes. And he grabbed me.
But you got his license plate.
Oh yeah. Everything's being filmed right now.
He's filming you
We
too.
got back and forth video on that.
Sure do. I bike all the time. That's why I have a. You know how dangerous it is on a normal day.
Straight down 30, all the way down, there will be no interruptions. And if you guys take a right, it's by Angle Lake, right? The Seattle Airport Sea-Tac. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So if you want to backing out, if you want to go, hold on, guys, I got it. If you want to go this way down third, go all the way down. It's literally going to take you straight down to the airport. I will get them up the way.
Yep. I'll escort you. I'll escort you down that way.
I walk all the way down there almost every day, man. I understand with all the homeless and stuff, it is unsafe, but I mean, it's up to you guys. You guys are more than welcome to turn around.
Also, Highway 99 is a good way to get to the airport.
Yeah. Okay, can you guys back up a little bit, please?
It's turning around?
Yes.
All right.
Let's give him all the way to like right here. So come to the white line.
Back up and turn around.
Yeah, he's the fastest.
There's nothing mistake.
Come forward an inch.
He can come right here, come back, and go out, okay?
They got kids in the car too.
That's cool. All right, if you can stay here, I'm just gonna escort him like 2 blocks.
Absolutely.
Make sure he doesn't pull into an alley.
Thank you. I read the body language as he was coming down. I'm like, this person is not.
Yeah,
they're not.
we stopped
They're
the
not going to
guy.
be like, oh, I better turn around.
Up the hill, we stopped. The guy was like driving really fast, like he wasn't going to stop.
Yeah.
And then I like put the bike right in front of him, and
Yep.
he stopped, and then, what's the matter? It's like,
So you wanted to get to 99 or something?
I don't know.
get to
I mean, what a brain would
99's actually a better way to get to the airport most days.
look in front of you to see this.
Yeah.
Now we are. Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you. Serious case of car brain.
Thank you.
Of course.